Hello and welcome to today's lecture on market segmentation. I'm excited to share with you the ins and outs of this powerful marketing strategy that can help businesses better understand and target their customers, leading to increased efficiency, profitability, and customer loyalty. Market segmentation is a marketing strategy that involves dividing a market into smaller groups of consumers with similar needs or characteristics. By doing so, companies can tailor their marketing efforts to each group, increasing the effectiveness of their campaigns and maximizing their return on investment. There are several types of market segmentation, each with its own set of benefits and limitations. Let's start with demographic segmentation, which is the most common type of market segmentation. This involves dividing the market based on characteristics such as age, gender, income, education, and occupation. This type of segmentation assumes that consumers with similar demographics will have similar needs. For example, a company that sells skincare products might target women aged 30-50 with a household income of over $75,000, as this group is more likely to prioritize skincare as part of their beauty routine. This is just one of many examples of how demographic segmentation can be used to improve a business's outcomes. Another type of market segmentation is geographic segmentation, which involves dividing the market based on the physical location of consumers. This type of segmentation assumes that consumers in a given geographic area will have similar needs. For example, a restaurant chain might offer different menu items and promotions in different regions of the country, based on local tastes. Psychographic segmentation is another type of market segmentation that involves dividing the market based on consumers' personality, values, attitudes, interests, and lifestyles. This type of segmentation assumes that consumers with similar psychographic profiles will have similar needs. A company that sells outdoor gear might target adventure-seeking consumers who value sustainability and environmental conservation, as these consumers are more likely to be interested in products that align with their values. Behavioral segmentation involves dividing the market based on consumers' behavior, such as their buying habits, usage patterns, and brand loyalty. This type of segmentation assumes that consumers with similar behavioral characteristics will have similar needs. For example, an airline might offer different pricing and promotions to frequent flyers, as they are more likely to be loyal to a particular airline and value perks, such as free checked baggage and priority boarding. Now that we've covered the different types of market segmentation, let's discuss the benefits of it. One of the most significant benefits of market segmentation is increased resource efficiency. It allows companies to focus their resources on specific segments of the market, rather than trying to appeal to the entire market. This more targeted approach is often more cost-effective and can result in higher return of investment. Another benefit of market segmentation is a stronger brand image. Market segmentation forces companies to consider how they want to be perceived by a specific group of consumers. This intentional branding can result in a stronger brand image and better customer experiences. Market segmentation can help companies establish greater brand loyalty among their customers. This is achieved by offering more targeted and personalized marketing campaigns that allow consumers to develop long-term relationships with the company. By using more direct and personal approaches, companies can resonate with their customers and foster a sense of inclusion, community, and belonging. Market segmentation also offers stronger market differentiation. By pinpointing the exact message they want to convey to the market and competitors, companies can create product differentiation by communicating specifically how a company is different from its competitors. This can help create a more memorable and specific image that resonates with consumers. While there are a lot of benefits of market segmentation, there are also potential downsides to consider when implementing segmentation strategies. For instance, higher upfront marketing expenses can be one of the downsides of market segmentation. Marketing segmentation has the long-term goal of being efficient. However, to capture this efficiency, companies must often spend resources upfront to gain insights and data into their customer base and the broader market. Market segmentation takes a large market and attempts to break it into more specific, manageable pieces. This has the downside risk of creating an overly complex, fractionalized product line that focuses too deeply on catering to specific market segments. Instead of a company having a cohesive product line, a company's marketing mix may become too confusing and inconsistently communicate its overall brand. Segmentation is rooted in the assumption that similar demographics will share common preferences. This may not always be the case. By grouping a population together with the belief that they share common traits, a company may risk misidentifying the needs within individuals of a given population. That is why there's a greater risk of misassumptions. Market segmentation is a widely used strategy, and its examples can be found in a plethora of products. For instance, a clothing company may segment its target market based on age, catering to different age groups with specific styles. Similarly, a cosmetic brand may segment its market by skin type, providing different product lines for customers with oily, dry, or combination skin. A restaurant chain may segment its market by location, offering distinct menu items and promotions that cater to the tastes of customers in different regions. These are just a few examples of how companies use market segmentation to enhance the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns and drive revenue growth. In the automotive industry, car manufacturers have been aware of the significance of market segmentation for a long time, and as a result, they offer different models and features that cater to the needs of diverse customer groups. Luxury car brands such as Mercedes-Benz and BMW have targeted high-income consumers with features such as advanced safety technology and luxurious interiors. On the other hand, affordable car brands such as Toyota and Honda have targeted middle-income consumers with practical features such as fuel efficiency and reliability. Segmentation strategy can also be seen in the technology industry. For instance, Apple targets different customer segments with its product lines, including iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks. The company segments its market based on factors such as age, income, and lifestyle, with products designed for different needs. Similarly, Microsoft targets different customer segments with its Windows operating system, offering different versions for consumers, businesses, and enterprise customers. Before we wrap up, I would like to quickly review what we have learned today. Market segmentation is a powerful marketing strategy that can help companies increase their efficiency, profitability, and customer loyalty. By identifying and targeting specific customer groups with tailored products and marketing campaigns, companies can create more personalized experiences that resonate with their customers. While market segmentation has some limitations, its benefits are significant and can be seen in virtually every industry. As businesses look to attract and retain customers in today's highly competitive landscape, market segmentation can be a key differentiator that sets them apart from the competition. That is all for today. I would like to hear what you guys think so far about me in the course. Please write a review or comment, and I will try to respond to each one of you. And as always, if you have any questions, let us know.